If you've used a line of credit on Wealthsimple and you're not sure how to pay it back, this guide will walk you through it step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click and how to avoid unnecessary interest. Let's get right into it. First, open your Wealthsimple app and log into your account. Once you're in, head to your line of credit account and tap into it. From here, look for the Repay option and tap on it. Next, you'll need to select the account the money will be coming from. This is where your linked bank account should show up. Choose the account you want to use. Quick note here. Make sure you actually have enough funds in that account before continuing. If the payment fails, it can delay your repayment or cause issues. Once selected, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll see the amount section. Here, you can choose to repay your total balance or enter a custom amount. If your goal is to avoid interest completely, paying off the full balance is the best option. But if you're just trying to reduce your balance, you can choose a custom amount instead. For this example, select Custom Amount and type in the value you want to repay. After entering the amount, tap Next. Now you'll see a summary of your payment. Take a second to review everything carefully. Double-check the amount and the account you're paying from. If it all looks good, go ahead and press Submit, and that's it. Your repayment is complete. Depending on your bank, the payment might go through instantly or take a couple of business days. During that time, your available credit may not update right away, so don't worry if it takes a bit. Also, remember that interest on a line of credit builds daily on any remaining balance, so even small, consistent payments can make a difference over time. If this helped you out, consider subscribing to Guides and Beyond for more simple, step-by-step tutorials like this.